Welcome back to our channel, where we discuss all things related to cars and their maintenance. In today's video, we'll be diving into a topic that every car owner should be aware of: common car suspension problems, their effects, and the remedies to fix them. The suspension system of a car plays a crucial role in providing a smooth and comfortable ride. However, over time, various issues can arise that affect the performance and safety of your vehicle. Let's explore some of the most common suspension problems and their effects. 1. Worn-out shock absorbers. One of the most common suspension problems is worn-out shock absorbers. This can lead to excessive bouncing, poor handling, and longer braking distances. As a remedy, replacing the worn-out shock absorbers with new ones will restore the smoothness and stability of your car's ride. 2. Broken or damaged springs. Another issue that can occur is broken or damaged springs. This can cause uneven ride height, excessive body roll, and a harsh ride experience. Replacing the broken or damaged springs with new ones will ensure proper suspension function and a comfortable ride. 3. Misaligned or worn-out bushings. Bushings are small rubber or polyurethane components that provide cushioning and reduce vibrations. When they become misaligned or worn out, you may experience clunking noises, increased road vibrations, and poor handling. Replacing the worn-out or misaligned bushings will restore the smoothness and stability of your car's suspension. 4. Leaking or damaged struts. Struts are an integral part of the suspension system, combining the shock absorber and the structural support. Leaking or damaged struts can lead to a bumpy ride, reduced control, and uneven tire wear. Replacing the leaking or damaged struts will improve the overall performance and safety of your vehicle. 5. Damaged ball joints. Ball joints connect the suspension arms to the wheels, allowing them to move smoothly. If ball joints are damaged, they can cause wobbling, clunking noises, and even tire wear. Indicators of suspension problems. Now we know the common car suspension problems, let's look at its indicators. 1. Uneven tire wear. If your tires are wearing out unevenly, it could be a sign of a problem with your suspension system. This can affect your car's handling and even cause a blowout. 2. Steering wheel vibration. If your steering wheel vibrates while driving, it's a sign of a problem with your suspension system. This can affect your ability to control your car and cause accidents. 3. Noise from suspension components. If you hear clunking or banging noises when driving over bumps, it's a sign of a problem with your suspension system. This can affect your car's stability and cause accidents. Effects of common car suspension problems. Neglecting suspension problems can lead to several negative consequences, including reduced ride quality, decreased handling and control, premature tire wear, and increased risk of accidents. Addressing suspension problems promptly is crucial for maintaining a safe and enjoyable driving experience. Remember that regular maintenance can help prevent suspension problems and extend the life of your suspension components. Here are some preventive measures. 1. Regular vehicle inspections with a qualified mechanic to check your car's suspension for signs of wear or damage. 2. Avoid overloading, as it can put excessive strain on the suspension components, leading to premature wear and tear. 3. Watch out for potholes and rough roads, as they can damage your suspension components. 4. Keep your suspension clean by removing dirt and grime that can accelerate wear and tear. So there you have them, common car suspension system problems, their causes and remedies. Thanks for watching. We hope this video has been informative and helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more car maintenance tips and tutorials.